Hi, I'm As from the Musicians Club. Today, I'm at the MSU Music Technology Studio and I'll be walking you through the basics of vocal mixing. The DAW that I'm using for this project is FL Studio. You want to turn this?
I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best. I wanna say without you everything's wrong.
Into this.
I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best. I wanna say without you everything's wrong. Hey, you were everything I need all along. I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
For these vocals,
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
I want to make it sound more crispy. Then I want to eliminate this.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
The best. First, I applied compression. Then I boost around high end to make it sound more crispier. So this is the sound of the compression.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
So you can notice that the sounds not too high and not too low. So it's balanced because I'm using the compressor. Next, I put de-esser. This is de-esser is basically to reduce the S sound. Then I put EQ just to eliminate the low ends for the noise.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
Then I put another compression just for add some texture.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
Then I put a quick tag EQ. This is for boosting a bit more of the high end for more crispy.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
Then I put the fresh air. The fresh air is basically like add on a sparkle to vocal. So here you can see it. You can hear
Oh,
it.
but instead I only wish you the best.
If I put it on 50 or something.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
And I just put it on 28. Then I put another de-esser to control the.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best.
Okay, for a layering, for a stereo sounding, I just copy paste the same as the main vocal,
Oh, but instead
but I put it on left and right tracks so it sound more full instead of sound like
Oh,
this.
but instead I only wish you the best.
It sound like this.
Oh, but instead I only wish you the best. I wanna say without you everything's wrong. You were everything
Okay, then for the backing of this,
I wanna say without you everything's wrong. You were everything I need all along.
this sound, I just copy paste from this vocal.
But oh my life, oh,
Then I put it on another tracks. Just the same effects, but I add on reverb just for it to sound more glory. Also, I put the EQ into telephone effects, so it sounds like this. instead of for these effects.
I'll miss knowing what you're thinking and hearing how your day has been.
I just use the same vocal track, then I just chop it, then I put another effects, so it sound like the telephone effects and a delay. So the song sounding more full.
I'll miss knowing what you're thinking and hearing how your day has been. Do you think you can tell?
Another effects that I put is these effects.
But oh my love. Oh,
Basically, this is the same vocal track, then I just chop it, then I put the same effects, the telephone effects, so it sounds like there's a response or ad-libs at the back of this.
oh my love. Oh. But I want you happy. But I want you happy, rather not it's with me. I wanna say I wish that you never left. Oh, but instead I
So
only wish
that's
you
all
the
from me,
best.
and
I wanna
thank you
say
for watching.